Hi Filmora creators, welcome to Tube Media Tutorials. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to edit your videos like films, that is, add cinematic feel to your normal shots, in the Wondershare Filmora mobile app. Let's add a new project and import some clips into the timeline. The first element of cinematic editing is color grading. In the Filmora app, go to Adjust and change some parameters. Like set the hue to match the theme of the film. You may make it less or more saturated to bring that cinematic appeal. The color tone or the temperature can be made warm or cold. There are ready-made filters available in the app that can dramatically add the cinematic feel into your videos with a simple click. These are perfectly curated, with adjustments of color, contrast, saturation, and there is a separate category for the film-themed filters. You may copy the look of popular movies as well. Adjust the opacity, and apply to all for consistency. So, with filters, make your videos cinematic. Next element we can use is dynamic transitions, from scene to scene. Be very careful while choosing the transitions, make sure that they go with the theme of your film. Adding dissolved transitions works every time. In the Filmora app, you may even add effects, like lens flare to give the scene a camera vibe. Simply find the most suitable lens flare, add to the video where it's applicable, and see the result. It looks so cool. I have another tip for you. In the Filmora app, you will find ready-made animation effects, which can elevate your videos to cinematic level. Make sure the animations match with the theme and the scene, add proper sound effects, and adjust the duration as well to make it truly movie-like. So, create stunning cinematic videos in the Filmora mobile app. Try it today. Happy creating!